Hi everyone, welcome back to Geterbrewed. Today I want to tell you about beer kits. If you don't know us and you don't know anything about homebrewing, you're going to want to start your journey with a very basic homebrew ingredient kit. So what I have today is a range of the liquid malt extracts that we use to create our own beer kits. I'm not just saying this as a sales pitch, but we're experienced brewers, we're passionate about our industry and really want to make a difference. And when we launched, we used the tagline, "Join the homebrew revolution," and we genuinely feel we have achieved a revolution in terms of the amount of people that now homebrew locally and internationally, and the scale at which we've taken the business. So we care about homebrewing, we know about homebrewing, and we want to give back to the homebrew community. Forget about the kits of the past that came with a boring one can tin and a generic yeast that covered every style of beer. What we're doing nowadays is we're using liquid malt extracts that are specific to that style. We're using brewer strains of yeast that are designed by professionals for professional commercial breweries that are now available in a homebrew sachet. And we're using our experience with our hop merchants to generate hop extract that allows us to add to this liquid malt to hit the different bitterness levels that you require for the different beer styles. And then we're using our knowledge and contacts in relation to hops to give you the same quality, ultra premium hop pellets that the commercial breweries are using. So give you a working example of one of our new beer kits. They come with 3 of the new liquid malt extract containers. You can see we've changed the packaging format in this so that we're making them easier to use. So warm them up a little bit to make them that little bit more viscous before you pop them into your fermenter. Your kit will come complete with hop tea bags, and they're professionally packaged in a food safe environment here using environment proof foil, vac sealed, nitrogen flushed, cold stored. They're the best that you can possibly get. Directions are on that. The kits come with detailed instructions that just take you through step by step, so just work your way through the numbers. And then, as I'd mentioned, we've picked up a bit of knowledge on the way about what yeast to use for what beer styles. So we're using premium quality Lallemand yeast for this particular kit in an 11-gram format, and then we're giving you a specific hop extract that allows you to hit the exact bitterness level that you want with these kits. So very briefly, I'll take you through some of the examples that we have. We're going to be experimenting and adding to these. So we have your generic pale ale recipe using the most sought after hops there is in the world. So we have pale ales with Galaxy, Vic Secret, Citra, Mosaic, all those big hitting hops that they're using in modern craft beers, now available to homebrewers in simple and easy to follow beer kits. So we have the benefit of having a massive range now of our own branded liquid malt extracts. So we have light, extra light, amber, dark, wheat and rye. These will be available to buy separately, so you can mix and match and experiment. The key benefit with this is you're getting, in our kits, you're getting 3.6 kilograms of liquid malt extract in the pale ale recipe, for example. If you want to tweak that recipe, feel free to experiment. That's part of the fun of homebrewing. So say you want to brew 25 litres at 4.1%, or you want to drop that volume down a couple of litres and brew 23 litres at 4.5%. The options are there for you to experiment yourself and try new things. We're going to have wheat beer recipes that have got orange peel and coriander additions. We're going to have hops that are paired perfectly with the beer style that you're wanting to generate. I think one of the key things that I want to get across with these beer kits is that we're wanting to make it possible for beginners at home to create something quite unique and special. So we have beer kits that can be brewed to replicate sour beers using innovative yeast strains that we've picked up from our distribution partners. We're making those beer kits with the most sought after hops. I'm genuinely impressed with what my team have done, not only in the design and packaging, the research, but we have used our years of experience to bring forward innovative new beer kits that we believe are the best in the industry. I personally don't think that there's any better beer kit available in the market anywhere. And the reason why we put so much effort into it is it's important that you brew successfully and consistently at home so that you return for another order and another order. So it's good business, it's good value in the relationship that we have with our customers, and it just shows that we really care about our industry and care about our customers. We're excited to see what you think about these beer kits, and we're going to continue to release new and exciting ones because we've got so much flexibility in the liquid malt extract. It means that the options are pretty much endless. So look, you're a beginner, you're watching this and you want to know how easy it is to make a batch of beer. You literally put these ingredients in a fermentation bucket and monitor it fermenting at a precise temperature. It'll take you 45 minutes, start to finish. You obviously don't finish it all in day one. It takes a little bit of time to ferment, but the time used in this is very, very minimal. And if you're watching brew day videos where we're all grain brewing and you see that it takes us 5 or 6 hours, what we have done with the liquid malt extract is we have fast tracked that all grain brew so that you've got the liquid malt in the container. So it just basically needs rehydrated and yeast added to ferment it. Couldn't be easier. If you're an all grain brewer or you're returning to homebrew and you've taken a break, the liquid malt extract that we have here, there's no finer quality available anywhere on the market, and there is nowhere that has a selection as good as this. And I really appeal to you to try these out. So they're available in 1.2 kilograms. They're available in every style, from extra pale right through to unique styles like having rye liquid malt. You can blend them, you can experiment, you can try using a couple of ambers with a rye if you wanted to do a rye IPA. You can pick yourself up a Mangrove Jack's yeast strain and make a lager using the extra pale and ferment it at the ale temperatures. The options are endless. We're going to share with you some of the experiments that we're going to do in the video on the channel, and we really just feel that it's time to release these to let you guys experiment with them, because homebrewers in their very nature are going to experiment and create things, and they'll share that in the homebrew community, on forums, on Facebook groups. We're really proud of these products. We've spent a long time developing them, and we're excited to hear what you think about them. Thanks again for watching, guys. Really appreciate your support. We would appeal to you to give us a little subscribe and hit the bell so that you know whenever we release new videos. We're looking forward to hearing how you find these new liquid malt extracts and these new beer kits. And until next time, happy brewing.